Yeah, I will. Can you film this, Dad?
Is it going now?
Yeah.
I think you're messing up Grandpa's thing, but because I think you just pull. I don't understand exactly here, because just you know what? Just pull that rope, like from the other side, dude.
Oh, he is.
But the rope isn't going anywhere, so.
Charlie, they're gonna have it up there by the time we get there. Look how easy that is for him.
I'll let it go off the edge.
The glove.
Yeah, look.
Oh.
Yeah, watch out here.
Watch out for the dog.
It's rotating.
Oh no, Zeb got steamrolled.
That's all right. Well, just make sure you keep it in the middle. You gotta keep
Maybe you should make sure, Charlie, because we don't want the dog to get rolled over.
Yeah, don't want to be a pancake.
It would be very expensive to unflatten it.
They should be on the other end. Get up.
Yeah, go pull it, Eric, like from the front. There you go. Look at that, huh?
That would have been able to like be rolled up by itself.
Yeah. Too late. Just let him roll it.
Sorry.
He's like, it's like 6'2", 220 pounds. I think he can roll it.
Not on yet.
Well, that's what I had planned.
Time out. He wants it over there on top of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where? The concrete?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright.
don't
What?
hurt yourself.
We're just gonna flip it, right? Or
Don't worry about the poses.
Will.
Wow. I can't believe it.
Yeah.